Hello everyone, welcome to Survey Payout. And for those who are new to my channel, I would like to say you are highly welcome to this channel where I tend to show you tips on how to make money online. So as of this time that I'm doing this video, this is 3 minutes ago, and then someone has already cashed out $50 Visa card, giving him a total of 57 on this side. So now I'm going for a $10 gift card, and this can be achieved with simple tips. Okay, you come to know about these tips at the end of this video, so I would like you to do well to watch this video to the end. It's not going to be a very tough and long video, and the name of this app or this site would be dropped in my Telegram channel. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, and for those who have been on my WhatsApp community, check in the description of my YouTube channel. There you'll find the link to my Telegram group. This will help you to get in touch with new updates before they are brought online. Okay, so when you come to the Telegram channel, I'm going to drop the name of the particular app, this app, and then I'm going to show you a few things that you have to do for you to cash out. Now, this app is very easy to navigate. On here, I just click on bonus. There are always daily bonus on this particular app, and as you can see here, let me just draw something. I've been able to get this within 5 minutes. Okay, there are a lot of opportunities. Now, this is a new account that I use in creating this video. Okay, so I don't want to reveal my main account for my own purpose. Okay, so over to this place, the network may be an issue, so let me go to cash out. So if I want to cash out, I will click on the coin. I'll click over here. If I want to cash out, I'm going to click here where it writes 620 over 52,000 coins. Remember, you need 52,000 coins to be able to cash out $10 Amazon gift card, because the network is slow in this end. The gift card logo is not loading well. So, and then 104,000 points for $20. Okay, so this can be achieved just within 2 days. Okay, so when you come to the Telegram channel, when you follow the tips I'm going to drop there, you'll find out that your testimony will be there for you in the next 2 days. Now, let's see. You can cash out with Google. You can cash out using a Visa gift card. That is a Google gift card and also a Visa gift card. And also note that on this channel, I tend to educate you. This is just a review on this particular site. Okay, so if you feel that you are a lover of the games, you can play games online and get paid, and then you can do a little bit of some tax and get paid, then this particular video is for you. Now, next thing you have to understand is for you to get paper withdrawal, there is also paper withdrawal. But sometimes when we make tests on a particular site, we don't make tests with for me, I sometimes test a site with a gift card. Unlike when I did the life point withdrawal on for the first time I did life point withdrawal, I tried with a gift card and then it came through before I did video and posted it on my YouTube channel. So if you're also looking for a way to earn money via survey, you can as well check in the playlist on my channel. You will see a lot of videos. These surveys are paid surveys, okay, and there are some demographs I have. I've also shared some tips on my new Telegram channel. So now for gift card, you need 74,300 coins to be able to cash out on PayPal rather. Okay, so now this network will not let me do this. Alright, so you can navigate through this app and then you get to cash out within 2 days. Okay, so this is one thing that will also help, okay, for you to cash out is via invitation. Okay, invitation can also help to facilitate your means of cash out because you are going to get 3,600 points for each person you invite, and then the person you invite will also get 3,600 points. Okay, so for those who have done fetch before, where you have to bring in receipts of the products you get online, the things you buy from the supermarket, and snap the receipt and get paid. Now, for those who have done fetch, you also understand that for fetch, though I have not uploaded the video yet, but those who have been on my group since last year have been earning from fetch. Okay, so for fetch, you upload your receipts, and then those whom you refer, they are going to earn the same money with you, the same coin rather. So when you first get this application, they are going to give you a prompt to come to chat and then click on and then write hello or hi. So as you can see, this person writing hi is a new person. This person doing hi again is a new person. So they just want you to interact. This is where you can chat, and after that you can follow the instructions on my Telegram channel. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned. Okay, this is just an overview of this video. This particular app, it is working, it has paid. Okay, and then that's why I'm bringing it up on this channel. So if you try this update and then you see that you are earning, please do well to also share with us how you're able to cash out. If you have done this before, I would like to see a comment in the comment section as well. And please do well to subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. Peace out. Do not forget rather to come to the Telegram channel and be prepared for an update. Currently working on 2 particular sites that are currently paying faster. It's 2 survey sites. Those who are my Telegram group, they are going to benefit from it. Alright, so see you in the next video.